This is a recurve bow and arrow kit from Sanlida. It comes nicely packed. Here is the bow riser. The design looks compact and the color combination looks great as well. The logo is placed right here. The material is wood and it appears to be very well constructed. Here are the bow limbs, upper and lower. Each limb has multiple layers with a maple wood core and fiberglass exterior. Please keep in mind the lower limb includes the size information. The finishing looks great. This is the bowstring. The pack includes a finger tap, a target recurve sight, and removable peel tips. Attach these tips to the included arrows. It also comes with a manual, target paper, and a case for holding arrows. And here are the arrows. The material here is carbon. Let's connect the tips to the arrows. Assembly is extremely easy. Simply attach the upper and lower limbs. Make sure to position the limbs correctly. The larger loop goes on the upper limb and the smaller loop goes on the lower limb. Use a stringer to attach the string. And it's ready to try out. Overall, this bow and arrow set is well designed, easy to set up and use, and this pack is highly recommended.